what is feminism for you?
Well, that's a tough question. I think feminism is a lot of things for me. I first discovered a lot about feminism when I actually started, exploring the topics of gender and diversity. For me, feminism does not just represent a particular gender or conversations around a particular gender. I think feminism for me is all about making sure that there is a society being created which believes in being pro-choice and pro-rights. So it's not just about say women equality or any kind of niche within that. I think it's more about looking at a lot of issues politically from a feminist perspective, and I think that somewhere also boils down to thinking of policies from a feminist perspective, and it's a lot more than just women equality, as a lot of people think. It's got to do with LGBTQIA rights as well. It's got to do a lot more with my personal space, my public space, how I talk about something, how I view something, be it the cinema, be it art, be it culture, be it traditions, be it religion, be it parenthood, be it anything like that. I think it's kind of a lot more than what the traditional definitions of feminism define it as.